What's going on, guys? Mike here with 720 Vending. Today we are doing a restock here at my hotel location. This is one of the machines. For some reason I lost the footage for the other two machines. I do apologize for that. Checking dates on the chips. I'm going to go ahead and get that restocked. How's your guys' business doing? Hopefully it's going well. Happy early Christmas to anybody out there. Feliz Navidad. Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, anybody out there, love y'all. I do appreciate all the support. Getting all these chips nice and restocked. How's your guys' businesses doing? Hopefully they're doing well. These 1.5 ounce bags of chips tend to be really stubborn in these coils. But we're going to go ahead and get this restocked up here. Grab some more popcorn from the bottom of the machine. Items like popcorn I tend to keep in the machines that they're going to be used in, because that way I don't have to lug them around. Throw some more Cheez-Its in here. That's looking okay. Been a little slow at the hotel lately, and I didn't have any more Three Musketeers bars on me. I had to pick some up off camera. So we're going to throw some Almond Joys in here. Get all the items updated on my VenSoft application. That way everything's all correct. I need some more Sour Patch Kids and some pistachios on that shelf. So we're going to go ahead and get those restocked up. I should be pouring more pistachios in there. Let me see if I can find them. If not, I restocked it off of camera. Nope, there's a few of them in there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the bell notification to be notified when I drop new videos. I always very much appreciate the support from everybody. That one's all good to go. Now we're going to go ahead and get onto the soda side. Get the expired bags out of my way. Thing I'm about ready to realize I got to pull out Dr. Pepper to make room for the Mountain Dew behind it. Yeah, I got to pull some of it out. This is what happens sometimes if you have these style machines where there's two columns and they're deep. If the column in the back for some reason sells more, you're going to have to pull some soda out to make room for it. That's what I had to do here, so I'm going to go ahead and get that restocked, and then we'll put those back where they need to go. If you guys are looking to add credit card readers to your machines, Cantaloupe is an excellent way to go. They have been a very good partner of mine. They have, if you use the promo code 720vending30 at checkout, you'll save $30 per card reader on either their Engage series or their cashless series or their Pulse kits for your claw machines. All the links are down in the description. I'm always happy to help anybody with any questions they may have. Again, it's an excellent way to get everything squared away on that, and I don't know why my light didn't turn back on. Getting the Gatorade stocked up. I have both of these columns stocked with Gatorade because I go through enough Gatorade at this location to warrant having 2 columns on the machine. Now that it's all restocked, we're all good to go. We're going to go ahead and get onto that collection. Get this cracked open one more time. And we're going to go ahead and jump down here for the cash. Making sure I grab the right envelope. It had some change in there. Not going to complain. Going to throw the lucky quarter back in the bucket. Then onto the cash. We did $102.75 for the week. I'm not going to complain about that. That's 1 week's of service between coins, cash, and credit cards. I do want to thank everyone for watching, making it all the way to the end. Put your favorite snack down in the comments. Catch you on the next one. Have a great day.